We'll guide you through how to stop the Google Photos backup on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. When the Google Photos backup is turned on, this means that the Google Photos is going to be backing up photos and videos from your gallery. What this means is that it's going to go and be in your Google Photos in your storage. This will go and take up a lot of storage on your account, and there may be another reason why you want to go and stop the backup. So we're going to guide you through this step by step on how it can go and be stopped. Make sure this is full guide so you don't go and miss anything, and don't go and skip any steps as we're guiding you through how this can go and be done. So what we're going to need to do is you need to go and open up the Google Photos app. So for me, I've got this folder here and I've got photos in it. Alternatively, you can go and swipe up and you can go to the top and press search. And you can go and type in Google Photos or just photos and you should be able to go and find it. As you can see, there it is. So tap on it to go and open it up. You can see it's backing up in the top left there. And so to go and stop this and to go and turn it off, what we need to do is go and press on your profile icon in the top right. You may not go and see that, by the way, there. This is just because I'm currently backing it up right now. What you can then do is go and scroll down and you want to go and find photo settings. Then you want to go and find backup at the top here, so it's backing you up to. And then you've got the switch. So what you can do is go and hit the switch like so, and that's it. Now we're not going to be doing the backup. And if you want to, you can go and delete all backed up photos and videos from this device in Google Photos without deleting anything from your device. So that's a really useful feature. So before you continue, review the following information. You'll undo the backup for this account. Any photos, videos, or other content on your device won't be deleted or affected, but all the photos and videos that are currently found on this device will be removed from Google Photos, which is a good option if you want to go and save that space. Otherwise, you can just go and turn off the backup, and that's it. So if you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to help you out again. Have a great day, and I look forward to helping you again.